I had to restart recording again.
Huh?
I had to start recording again because I went above the 10-minute limit for the website. Hi down there!
Hey!
Get your ass back inside!
Charlie Jackson!
And there's the dreaded Sasquatch.
Oh. He called you Sasquatch! He called you Sasquatch!
Oh damn, look at that.
We are almost to our destination. We only got a few feet to go. If we make it. If we make it, then I'm gonna raise my hand.
Get stuck in a snow pile. Oh shit! Oh god. Damn. Never again will I have to deal with this shit again. Thank God it's every 7 years.
Oh my God, look at that. Take a picture of that.
I am. I'm recording
Son of a bitch!
I'm recording this shit. Oh my God.
Damn!
How are we gonna get out of here?
Oh my God!
Oh.
No way!
Oh, damn, damn! Oh,
That's a lot of... God damn!
this.
There's no way we're getting out of here! It's piles!
They look like ants. Want to travel back? Yeah, we're not gonna get out of this bitch.
We ain't getting out of here.
No, we're
This
not.
is the last snow to fucking...
We're gonna be here for about 4 or 5 days.
I ain't getting out of here. We gotta shovel this crap out. Who's gonna come out here and do this?
Want to go back and get the shovel?
And shovel this? You nuts.
Not yet. I'm saying like later.
Later.
Maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna make my trek back there. If I don't sink first.
God damn.
Oh God, cool feet.
Did you get a picture of down the road?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
This thing's recording. It's got sound and everything.
Yeah.
So everything that's being said, it can hear. Not a good day to run in the snow, but hey, better than nothing. Hi. Huh?
I'll see you.
I know. I'm not sure. You put this inside. Sure, I told you not to shovel.
Yeah, what are you doing? Get yourself inside.
Can you come, Jackie?
Yeah, state of emergency. Yeah, that's what the rescue.
National Guard is out?
National Guard's out.
Damn. Hey, Tina.
Send search and rescue. I 4 for the launch gun missile.
He's down there.
Dangerous. That's just. Behold, the legendary threat.
Oh, funny.